Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iPhone camera showing a black screen. The first thing that you can try and do is close the iPhone camera. First, close the iPhone camera. The other thing that you can look out for is if something is obstructing the camera lens. You can try wiping the camera lens or see if something is blocking it and remove it. The third thing that you can try and do is switch between the front and back cameras to see if it is a camera issue or a software issue. You can also try updating your iOS version to the latest version if you have not updated it by heading over to Settings, scroll down to find General, tap on Software Update, and if it is not updated to the latest version, tap on Update Now to update it. You can also try resetting all settings by heading over to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and tap on Reset All Settings. This will reset all settings, but your data will be fine. Even after you follow these steps, if the screen still remains black, it may be a hardware failure, particularly if the flashlight also fails to work, requiring a visit to an Apple authorized service center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.